Hey, I'm Ricky Steele with Northgate Construction. Come on in here. We're going to do some shingle demos, talk about some products. Come on. Real quick, we're going to talk about an IKO Cambridge shingle. IKO Cambridge. This specific one, this is what they call their entry level. It's still got 130 mile an hour wind rating. Bro, at 130 mile an hour wind, your windows will blow inside of your house and into your living room before your roof blows off of your house, okay? This shingle is incredible, and it's their entry level stuff. So, comes in 8 different colors. It comes with a class 3 hail rating impact resistance. So, in Michigan, we get hail. Not even class 3, nothing crazy like this. Because the shingle comes with a class 3 hail rating, your insurance company will give you a discount on your premium. It's incredible, great product. Again, this is their entry level Cambridge shingle. I'm going to highlight a little bit about IKO and their performance product line. Understand this, we do carry literally everything. If they make it, we got it. We're a preferred vendor for most. The reason we're so specific with IKO is a lot of people are interested in this performance product line, right? They don't want to buy the product that they buy at Home Depot, Lowe's, and pretty much every contractor has. They're looking for something that's actually built to last. So, IKO performance product line comes in Dynasty and Nordic. Comes in amazing colors. They're all high def. They're all true 1 square. They're built to last. All right, so this is your IKO Dynasty. This is part of the performance line. It's impact resistant, comes with class 3, just like the Cambridge. Plus it comes with Armor Zone technology and 130 mile an hour wind rating. When I say Armor Zone technology, let me show you what I mean. This is your IKO Dynasty. Now, one thing to understand about IKO is it's all shingles, whether it's the Cambridge, the Dynasty, or the Nordic. It's all a true square. What that means, it's actually 3 bundles per square. They call it a true square. Now, also, where do you put the nail? This is the #1 thing, is nail placement. If you don't put the nail in the correct place, your shingles blow off. Well, this is how it's able to get a wind warranty of 130 mile an hour. This is Armor Zone on the back of the shingles. This is the strike zone on the front of the shingles, okay? You got to hit somewhere in between this chalk line, right here and here, when you're installing the roof. You only got to do 4 nails per shingle, okay? Most shingle manufacturers have just a tiny little chalk line that you hope they hit, right? You hope the installers hit. Great product. If you're looking for a product that is gonna last, a house you're staying in, you're not fixing and flipping, this is a product you want. Next one is your IKO Nordic. Very much similar to the Dynasty. This one has SBS rubber in it. What it allows it to do is expand and contract. We live in Michigan. This one's class 4 hail rated. Class 4 is substantial. So, also comes with the Armor Zone technology. 3 things IKO Dynasty and Nordic are known for. #1, the 1 1/4 inch strike zone. #2, fast lock sealant. So the moment the shingle gets warm, the seal strips underneath them activate and they melt down into the shingle underneath it. This stops the shingles from blowing off. 3rd thing, it's all fiberglass reinforced. So not only is it hail rated, wind rated, and fire rated, it also has algae resistant too. So every time it rains, it cleans your roof. This thing's gonna last forever. Expansion and contraction eats most shingles up, not for a performance shingle. It's also fire resistant, hail rated, and wind rated. This shingle could qualify you up to 10% off your homeowner's insurance. Not every roofer has this. Most people just get their material from Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards. This is a performance product that everybody doesn't have access to. So if you're looking for a performance product, you're looking for a product that's really gonna last, IKO Dynasty, matte black, chef's kiss. Northgate Construction is the #1 contractor in Michigan for IKO. We're very proud to say that. We're Craftsman Premier. And how the heck do you become that? What does that even mean? Well, it's not a certificate you can buy. It is only awarded to people who install a specific amount of shingles. Now, that specific amount of shingles is substantial. I can tell you this, we've done enough shingles that I could lay shingles from here to California and back, right, in order to get this certification. Like I said, this isn't one you can purchase online, like the products you can buy at Home Depot and stuff like that. All those things, those are bought, not earned. At IKO, they have an actual warranty, guarantee process. It is earned, not given. All right, so I've taken the roof off. Nothing but plywood up there. What now? Well, this is synthetic underlayment. This goes down over the entire roof. This is 100% waterproof without one shingle on top of it. Pretty impressive. The goal is for this roof to be waterproof. So what's gonna happen when you poke 30,000 nail holes through it? Now what? Well, clearly a hole. Fair? There's a knife, there's a finger in between this. This is 100% gonna leak. Wouldn't you assume? I would. All right, I'm gonna take a bottle of water. I'm gonna pour it on top of our synthetic underlayment that is waterproof. Look at this. There is standing water on this underlayment and it does not leak. No question, there's a hole, agreed? Watch. Pull my finger back out. I'm gonna pour water on top of it. Doesn't leak. It does run off. See that? 100% waterproof before I ever even lay a shingle down. That's pretty sweet. This hat, not even a magician. You got options. Listen, if you don't want your roof to be 100% waterproof, that's okay. Tar paper, construction paper, underlayment is what most people still use. Is it waterproof? No, it's designed to absorb the water. This is designed to deflect the water and repel the water off of the house. So you do have options. When picking your next roofing system, make sure it's waterproof. If you want your roof waterproof, let your rep know this is what you want on your house. All right, ice and water shield, another component I'd like to talk about. Code in Michigan is 24 inches inside the heated wall. It comes in a 3-foot roll. Okay, so most people are doing 3 foot. We do have people that ice and water shield the whole thing. Standard is 6 to 9 feet, depending on how big your overhang is. So why is this important? What it does, it creates a thermal break from outside to inside, right? What that does, it stops the icicles. They're beautiful, they're pretty, but they're pretty bad for the roof. So you wanna avoid those. So if you got icicles on your roof, this will definitely help you. Next product I wanna talk about is your ridge vent. Your ridge vent. If your roof is not vented correctly, it is dying. It is cooking and falling apart. This is our Lamanco vent. As you see, we do not have filters on these vents. Number one thing filters do, starts with a C, sounds like clogged. It is clogged. Filters get clogged up. How often do you change your roof filter? Never, nobody does. There's no filters on this. This has baffles to keep the rain, the water, the moisture out. It's very cool how it works. As the air comes over top of it, the air hits here, turns over, and sucks the air out of the attic. It's called the Venturi effect. It's the same way planes take off. Pretty cool. Right here, this is a pallet of our nails. As you see, we buy things literally by the truckload. Most people buy it per package. We want to save you the most amount of money we possibly can. We purchase it by the semi-load to get you a better deal.